So here's a very short video on how to resize an image in Photoshop. So let's say you've done a drawing. In this case, it's my cartoon strip for the Times, which I've done here. But the Times, for the online edition, they need a specific dimensions, a specific format, which is 1500 pixels wide times 1000 pixels high. So what I have to do in order to comply with that is to go to Image, Canvas Size, and then I have to change the pixels to 1500 by 1000 and then go OK. Now the trouble with that is if I do that, it's going to chop my image up and it's not going to look very nice anymore. So if I go to Edit, Undo, now what I have to do is use the bounding box up here and then do a drag select around there, and I need to make my image smaller. So I'm going to go Edit, Transform, Scale. That's Edit, Transform, Scale. Make the image smaller, take it down, then go back to the Select tool, then go Image Crop like that. Then go. Then I'm going to go View, Fit on Screen, View, Fit on Screen, and now I should be about the right size. So now I can go back to Image, Canvas Size, and yeah, my width is about right. So that's 1500 pixels wide times 1000 pixels high. That's what the client wants. That's their dimensions. Then I go to View, Fit on Screen. Now it's a little bit too small now, so I can go ahead, go back to the bounding box, draw a box around that, then go Edit, Transform, Scale, and then just pull it up a little bit so it's a little bit bigger. And now I've got my image. If I go back to the Select tool, now I've got my image the right size. I go Select, Deselect. Now it's the right size. I can save that. If I go File, Save a Copy, I can save that as a JPEG, and I can save that as that will now have the correct resolution. If I go to Image Options and save it as the maximum quality, that will now have the correct resolution for the client in this case. So that is how to resize an image in Photoshop.